Go.
This is Dan again. We just talked about the amazing RMC1. Our XPA amplifier line was introduced at last CES. I think you guys got the preview on it. It's been incredibly successful and well received. We can't build them fast enough. We promised to do a double wide balanced module for the XPA series. Here it is, 600 watts into 8 ohms over 1,000 into 4. It'll be shipping next month. Addition to that, we have our stereo module, 2x75 into 8, 125 into 4. Now with the XPA Gen 3 amplifiers, you can go from 1 to 14 channels, from power points of 600 watts to 75 watts per channel, all built in the same chassis with our 3 kilowatt switching power supply. The performance is amazing. The price point is industry setting. I mean, nobody can touch us at these price points. Designed, built, and assembled in the USA in our facility in Nashville. So we're really excited about these amplifiers, and now with the addition of the double wide monoblock, the balanced monoblock, and the stereo module, we've got an end-to-end solution at all power points with up to 1 to 14 channels. So we think we've got it all covered for you now.
Wow, that is very impressive.
Yeah, what's going to be great too, if I can continue talking for a second.
Sure.
This is a 9-channel version of the XPA. So it has 5 300-watt modules and then 4 stereo modules. So if you're doing Atmos, your mains and your main surrounds can be 300 watts per channel, and your object channels, your upper surrounds, can be driven on our stereo modules at 75 watts per channel, which is more than adequate. Remember, our power is continuous power, all channels driven under FTC preconditioning. So when you look at our PowerPoint compared to a typical receiver or a product like that, you know, our actual power is much, much higher because we do all of our power rating worst case. Over here on the table over here, I don't know if you can make it over here, this is an 11-channel variant of that amplifier. So this unit here, if you want to come around the back, this one's got 3 300-watt blades in it and 4 stereo blades. So now you've got 11 channels for an Atmos-based sound system. Your main left, center, and right are running 300 into 8, and now you've got 75 by 8 driving your surrounds and your object channels.
Wow.
All balanced ends, just a very flexible architecture. And again, the price for this thing fully loaded is way under $2,500. So incredible price point.
That's absolutely amazing.
Here's the new version of the XMC1 with the new 4K video board in it. And this will be getting the Dolby Atmos DTS update at the end of the first quarter. So the board that you're seeing in the new RMC1 will be available as a update for our existing XMC1 user base. And we'll also ship it that way from the factory with the Atmos DTSX decoder built into it.
And sorry, you said all these are being made here in
Yeah, these
Tennessee?
are all built in the U.S., yeah. Mm-hmm. And while we're in the room, I guess we can talk about our new Emotiva T2 and C2 tower and center channel. These are shipping in February. 8/8 with a 5 1/4 mid and tweeter, 2 6s, 2 3s, and an AMT on the top. $9.99 a pair, $3.99 for the center channel. You just saw we got an incredible review on Sound and Vision, your competition. But we got, I believe we got product of the year for our Emotiva speakers, the T1, the C1, and the matching bookshelves. So this is a great line. We've continued to expand it. The subwoofers are now shipping, the 10, the 12, and the 15. So we're having great response from this line, and we're really excited about it. If you've got a few minutes, we'll take you to the other rooms, and we'll show you the other products, the Immersa and the Basic series.
That would be great.
Great.
Sure.